Today, let's talk about something deeply important. October 27th is a day etched in history as Black Day, a day of sorrow and reflection for the people of Kashmir. This message comes from the heart of Gilgit, Baltistan. The Nambardars, the community leaders of this region, want to remind the world of the dark chapter that began on this day in 1947. It marks the start of the brutal oppression faced by the Kashmiri people under the Indian regime. Despite all odds, the courage, bravery, and unwavering spirit of Kashmiris remain unbroken. The Nambardars condemn the relentless violence against innocent Kashmiris, whose sacrifices are unparalleled. This struggle for freedom is a testament to their resilience. They've shown the world that no amount of brutal force can diminish their desire for liberation. The Nambardars of Gilgit, Baltistan stand in solidarity, declaring that the bloodshed in the occupied valley will not be in vain. The dream of a free Kashmir will be realized. They urge the global community to heed the cries for justice and fulfill their promises. The Modi government's actions are not only a threat to regional but global peace. Until the Kashmir issue is resolved, the fight will continue. The Nambardars, including Dr. Afzal, Fazal Rahman, Naveed Afzal, Muhammad Alif Khan, Javed Anwar, Hafiz Rahman, Hadi Hussain, Shahid Hussain, Iftikhar Hussain, and Sanaullah, vow to keep the flame of hope alive. Remember, every voice matters. Stand with Kashmir. Thank you for watching. If this message resonates with you, please